Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix pending download on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Some of you may have experienced problems like this, but haven't been able to solve them. So in this video, I will help you to overcome these issues, and please pay close attention to the step-by-step instructions. Well, first thing first, you can go to the profile icon. Okay, and then you can select settings option here. After that, here you can click on network preferences. Okay, and then you can select app download preference. After that, activate over any network option. Okay, and then now you can install anything on your Play Store as well. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix pending download on Play Store on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.